Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to make money from a Telegram channel. So to do this, you have multiple options. We will go like one by one. The first one is the easiest one, is to make like people pay money to send you direct messages on your group. To do this, you have just to go and click on your profile picture on the top right of the screen. And after that, go to channel settings. And after that, go to direct messages. And as you can see, this option is activated here for me. So normally you will find it deactivated like that. You have just to activate it and choose how much you want to charge people to send you private message on your channel. It can start with free and it can go up to $130. And for any money that you will get from messages, you will receive 85% from that money, and Telegram will keep 15% of it as their part or their share from the amount that you will be getting. So this is one method. Also, you can use the affiliate programs. Here you can promote like other channels and things like that, and you will get like your commission from like people who are going to subscribe to that channel. You can promote those channels on your own channel, and as you can see, it will show you exactly how much you will make from it and things like that. So the average from every user here, for example, from that channel is almost like 70,000 stars, which converts to money after that for sure. And you can join those programs. You can also like promote your own products on your channel. So you can sell your own digital products on your channel and make people pay for them. And also you can like sell shoutouts, like people who are going, of course, to make money from a channel, you should have like decent number of people who are like members of your channel. You can't, for example, start making money from a channel with 2, 10, or even 100 persons. You should have at least 1,000 people on your channel. And there is some other methods that you can use. For example, the official Telegram ads revenue share. So if your channel has over 1,000 subscribers, you can join the official ad platform of Telegram. And here you will keep only 50% of the ad revenue. And those are mainly the biggest ways that you can make money from your Telegram channel with them. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next